I think 7.5 is the last topic in today's class, visualizing matrices. How to visualize matrices using plot. What are the different 3D plot available to visualize your matrices? That is what we are going to see. We have three things: surface, mesh, and contour. So you see here you have a membrane M. M is of size 31 by 31, and I'm going to use the surf command to view the matrix M. So it is going to plot the surface plot of the matrix M. So you see the output unrecognized. So I'm going to run the entire thing. See how beautiful it is. It is a surface plot of M. M is a two-dimensional. It's a two-dimensional array, right? So you get a 3D plot of the matrix. It shows the surface area of the matrix M. I hope the answer is correct. Yes. You should get all ticks. Yes. You have mesh. So mesh, use the mesh to create a plot of the matrix M. Use evenly spaced values 0 to 1 for X and Y. So for mesh, you see, I'm going to use mesh of 0 to 0.1, 1, 0 to 0.1, 1, M. So they are asking us to use the equal spacing for thing, right? Data dimensions must agree. So we are having an error. We'll see what is the. I think directly you can give mesh. You are going to use the line space option. Line space will create the equal distribution. So see here 0, 1 and size of M by 2, 0, 1 size of M, 1, and I'm going to plot now mesh. Line space will give the uniform distribution for X and Y. You see here the difference. The uniform distribution 0 to 1, 0 to 1. See, it was previously from 0 to 30, 0 to 30. Now I reduce it from 0 to 1 and 0 to 1. Height is also between minus 1 to minus 0.5. Okay, I think this should be clear. The 3D plot. Okay. Yes. Last one, using the contour. So same way, you have to give the contour also. You have to use the line space. Only thing, instead of mesh, I'm going to give contour. CONTOUR. You run, you will get a beautiful contour. This is the contour now. Contour, you know, it is a path placed by the point. So you will have a beautiful contour. So three plot commands for 3D is, one is surface plot, mesh, last one is contour. And you mathematically, you can understand all the difference. You also have the other commands like this, which you can see it in the help. You have waterfall, you have surf F, surf L, contour 3, mesh is there, waterfall. So all these commands can be explored in the help section, and you can understand